No one's been there. Let's see. Oh, red beret. Is this a foul? Foul? Foul infected. Oh my god, bro. And a camp? It's actually pretty crazy. This is a very nice spawn. That's a beanie hat I see on the crate over there. Oh, sweet. Oh my god, bro. It's a bunch of 44 mag for my deagle, too. I think I might have saw another foul infected over there. I think a rasta hat can also spawn here. There's foul? No. Rasta hat. Ooh. Ooh, he drops a weapon for sure, yep. High power. No, I don't need it. I think the rasta hat spawns here. It's kind of rare though. Ghillie suit. Hopefully it's in that crate over there. A1 boonie hat. Chem light. No ghillie. Is it another foul? That's so crazy. Oh my god. And more ammo for my foul too. Really mad. This is very awesome, dude. This is crazy. I might drop a mag just for extra room, but yeah, I'm gonna drop one mag. Drop this one. Drop. This is so cool, bro. Too bad I suck at this game. Alright, so we got a foul. Oh, we need to reload the desert. Alright. I'm gonna loot this, and I'm gonna end the video, because I gotta get off. I'm just ghillie farming, and this is one of the spawns that is close. Oh! Oh, pirate ship! What? No! That's crazy! What? So much pirate pan! No! That's crazy! Pirate rucksack? That's so awesome! What? Bro! Oh my god! That's so... What? I mean... What? That's out of this world, bro. Pirate pants? I like the sash so much. Oh my god, that's crazy, bro. I don't know, should I keep the lifeguard guard shirt? Because I might have to change my guy now. Oh, this is so cool, bro. I might have to change my shirt to make it match, but that's... Oh, no, that's crazy! Dude, alright, so if you guys want... I recommend server hopping. That's what I've been doing, alright? So, you, reset if you want, or you can just walk over here, and in the beach area, the heli can spawn over there, and it can drop ghillies, just, you know, it just depends on the spawn. And, I don't know, I've only served out like 10 times, and I found them in 7 of them. This is the, I guess I never really come over here, but this is also not 100% chance. I mean, I'm kind of new to this game. I know what this is. I just don't really care too much, even though I know it's super amazing. I'm like super nerdy about like the items, you know. So, if you want, I know that a rasta hat can spawn at those tents. Obviously, a ghillie, and then sometimes a pirate infected, not like just the pants alone, but it can drop all the stuff. I think the pants are one of the coolest because of the sash, but keep an eye out for this stuff because it's a pretty stocked area and nobody comes over here, so it's never really looted. So, yeah. Well, see you guys in the next one. See ya.